Hey yo, what's up YouTube? This your boy Vetising coming back at you again with another video. Tonight guys, I'm going to be doing a little bit different. We're going to be doing a watch lot sale. Yeah, let's go with that. Been looking through my inventory and I came to the realization that, I haven't used some of these watches in years, and I mean literal years. So if I'm gonna start doing watch reviews and start building up on my inventory, I gotta clear out some of this older stuff. So let's go ahead and spread the wealth. Why not, right? But before we get into any of that, I'm gonna break down a wristwatch check, EDC, then we're gonna get into the meat and bones about it. So tonight, I am running the Seiko Marine Master Tuna SBBN 033. Originally, it was on a resin strap. I went ahead and switched it out in favor of this hook and loop Velcro strap made by Strap Code. I wouldn't have it any other way. If you are interested in this watch, you guys got to get on it. SBBN 033. I say it again. Sierra Bravo November 033. All right. There is no knife tonight because I'm gonna make this video on a whim. But I need something to pull loom duty, so we're gonna be running Echo 2 Tango Mike Victor. Surefire, you guys seen this enough already. Everybody needs a little bit of Surefire in their life. This light is so powerful that, I just put it on top the Echo drives that are going to be sold tonight, and it's already powered up. You guys gonna see what I mean. Alright, loom duty. So let's get into it. I was looking through my inventory and I came across several watches that I just do not wear anymore. And this is one of them right here. This is the Citizen ProMaster Air Global Radio Controlled Pilot's watch. I had this watch for a very long time and I only used it less than a handful of times. Comes with sapphire glass. This thing has perpetual calendar, and radio control means it keeps up with the frequencies around the world so it can get its time. This watch is beautiful. It's just not getting the wrist time that it needs from me. So I will pass this on. The retail price for this is $550, but I am willing to let this bad boy go for a steal to the watch family. I'll let this bad boy go for $200. I don't think you can even buy this anymore. I've been looking around online. I mean, the prices are up. You can look at it if you want. This is model number CB002157E. I say again, Charlie Bravo 00215 Echo. Yeah, I mean, you can find this watch around. It's just not, you can't buy it. The loom is very nice. See, I don't know, Citizen's loom is just very nice. Look at that. It's like a proper blue. Like, that's how it's supposed to be. Check that out. One beaming shot from that Surefire gave it enough juice just to get it started. But this is just to show you that, Echo drives, they run on light. All you need is a light source, and you never have to worry about changing the battery ever again. Citizen ProMaster Air Global Radio Controlled Pilot's Watch. CB002157E. I say again, Charlie Bravo 002157 Echo. I have all the links for it inside here too. So I linked it up to fit my wrist, and I kept all the extra links right there. Great watch. Whoever buys it is not going to be disappointed. They're going to get a killer deal for a pretty brand new watch, and one that you can't even buy brand new right now. Go look around if you don't believe me. Moving on, something that is a little bit more in demand. This is the Citizen Echo 168 Sierra 0 16525. Dive watch. Echo Drive technology. So the same thing, you never have to worry about changing a battery when you're running an Echo Drive. Let's check out the lume on this puppy. Man, Citizen knows how to make a good lume. I ain't even gonna lie, guys. So another good watch right here, man. You check this watch out in real life, you'd be hard pressed to find anything wrong with it. Bezel action is super tight. Feels good too. No misalignment issues on top of this bad boy, that's for sure. On top of that, this thing goes to 300 meters. Yeah, if you are interested, this is E168S016525. I say again, Echo 168 Sierra 016525. I do have the resin strap. I just went ahead and washed it, but I'm gonna be honest, man. This thing looks way better on top of this Zulu. This Zulu is made by Strap Code. Like I said, if you were to check this out, you'd be hard pressed to find anything wrong with it. This is a great watch. And I'm going to give this away for a deal. $100 ship. Conus. You PayPal me $100, you're going to get a killer Citizen Echo Drive Diver ProMaster. And that's money in the bank right there. Alright? I'm telling you, these watches is not going to last long. Right when I put them up, they'll be gone. So you guys need to act on it. Next. I tried to put the model number in for this guy and it's not coming up with the right watch. But anyways, this is the Victorinox Swiss Army Classic. I do not have I don't have the strap or the bracelet for this anymore. I threw it away. That bad boy was ugly. It was two-tone. Silver and yellow gold. Come on. You guys, nobody wants to run silver and yellow gold. That stuff is so 1990s, you know what I mean? I switched it out in favor of a Blue Shark Alpha Premier. And I don't regret it because this thing looks killer on top of this band. Quartz movement. And this thing has a dome crystal. How is that? Look at that. Look at the distortion on that bad boy. This is a great watch, and I'm gonna give this puppy away for $100. Ship Conus. Again, you're gonna be hard pressed to find anything wrong with this. And for $100, you can't even go wrong. Just like that. I'm telling you guys, these Blue Shark straps, it's either between Blue Shark and Strap Code, man. These are my two favorite companies when it comes to straps. I don't know if I'll buy from anybody else. You know, maybe I might have to get one of these retailers to send me some for a product, you know, to test it out, see what it's all about. I do have another Citizen Echo Drive. This one is not for sale. I am going to give this one away if I can sell these as a package deal. I remember when I said at the start of the show, or at the start of the video, I'm going to try to sell these bad boys as a lot. If I can sell these three together, I'm going to throw this puppy in for free. And I'm going to give you guys a super deal. A killer deal on top of this. If these are sold together. So I said this is 200, this was 100, and this was 100. All of this right here, 250 shipped Conus. And I throw this puppy in right here. Guys, you guys are not going to find a better deal than the one that I just gave right now. I'm telling you, it's not going to be done. People who know me know that I give the killer deals. I give deals on a whim. That's just how I operate. So anyways, this is what it is, guys. Watch that you can no longer purchase. Killer deal. Diver. I don't even know if you can purchase this anymore. Killer deal. This one, yeah, that's a great deal. You can't beat free, guys. I'm telling you, you cannot beat free. And this bundled together, that's just GTFO. There you go. Anyways, that's it for tonight. I have something coming in tomorrow. And we're going to find out. So stay tuned. You guys have a great one. Peace.